In this video, we're repairing the AC compressor on a 2015 Honda City by replacing the compressor clutch. We'll take you through the process of removing the compressor, replacing the clutch, and reinstalling it so you can get your cooling system back to life if you're facing the same issue. The owner brought the unit to us complaining of weak cooling and a strange noise coming from the engine bay when the AC was turned on. After inspection, we found that the pulley had been worn down over time. This caused a larger gap between the hub and the pulley, which prevented the compressor from engaging properly and led to the weak cooling. Before anything else, make sure the refrigerant has been fully recovered from the system. Use a proper refrigerant recovery machine or take it to a workshop to have this done safely and legally. Since we're already taking down the compressor, it's also a good opportunity to flush the condenser. Over time, the condenser can collect debris, dirt, and contaminants, which can reduce the efficiency of the AC system. Flushing it ensures that the system is running clean and prevents any blockages that could affect the overall performance of the compressor or other components. If you want a full breakdown of the condenser removal and flushing process, let us know in the comments. We'll be happy to make a separate video for you. If you find straight-to-the-point tutorials like this helpful, consider subscribing to support the channel. This will help us make better videos for you.